Salute to 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction? Guys, today we're here with Fully Bad with a diss track to DEMARCO called 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. So we see Fully Bad drop Albert, then DEMARCO drop Albert, fully funeral, and now this is 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. So you don't know, say DEMARCO. We're going forward another one here, and here with the GSC say him take a couple days for reply. So let's hope it's worth it. Let's go, and let's hope it's worth it. So DEMARCO have to answer. Like, want this to be a song where DEMARCO have to say something, have to answer. Because I don't want the war done. I don't want the war done it. So let's jump in the one and here with the GSC. Let's go.
Room in a head, man. Yo, team upgrade. No pussy. Batty boy DEMARCO. Yeah, kill nobody. Just make a ghost. Murder a giant and turn one goat.
Sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing a special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me on my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in 𝐿𝐻_worst_gamer. Reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video. So him have DEMARCO in one barrel. Him have DEMARCO in one barrel. But he are gonna sell up and stink and pop you now. So he must say him just make a ghost. Him just murder the giant and make a ghost. Him gonna become a ghost.
Yeah, kill nobody. Just make a ghost. Murder a giant and turn one goat. What? A white flag them choke. Coward. Pussy, me know you know the vice note. But
So something that the vice note real then. Something real that the vice note. So we say Fully Bad play and vice note in an Albert, starting an Albert. So he might tell DEMARCO say, yo, me know say you know the vice note. Cause that's something where you're involved in it. The man say you're freaky. Yeah. So Fully Bad I say, yo, me know say you know the vice note. What the fuck like that? Don't deny. One thing I want Fully Bad to address also, I want going out of Aberview. That want them to address.
white flag them choke. Coward. Pussy, me know you know the vice note. Batty man. Me coulda been a fan of you, not up in a follow you. Killer Maria. Albert.
Man say, I couldn't be a fan of you, so stop telling people about me a fan. No. We know a couple of your popular songs and a couple of your hit songs them, yes, because I was a youth growing up and your song them did a play upon some of the juggling them with some of my favorite artists. Member say, me not like you from morning, now evening. Member say, yeah, all of that. But respect to Fully Bad if I put out videos, Fully Bad I take the thing serious, Fully Bad I put out videos.
Batty man. Me coulda been a fan of you, not up in a follow you. Killer Maria. Albert. When the killer them a wally ground, you eat your body pot a cook. Shit black.
When the killer them a wally ground, a kitchen you there in a food you look with a big gut, a shit gut, a food you look. Yeah, Janga soup you look. That's how it is.
Albert. When the killer them a wally ground, you eat your body pot a cook. Shit black pitch him over, no see who wicked out here. Them sick me and my brain guy Ethiopia. Nothing wrong never go on pan for me program. Them planning at the tank fi go make it portal. Funeral you no deserve, we stuff him in the dirt. I murder.
The man say funeral you don't deserve that, brother. Remember say you done in a one barrel already, you know. So funeral you don't deserve that. Shallow grave you go get, yeah.
The tank fi go make it portal. Funeral you no deserve, we stuff him in the dirt. A murder we do you never do your research. Full clip in your face, none never reserve. Life.
You never do your research. A murder we do. A murder, that's why them call me Fully Bad. You think some lyrics alone make them call me Fully Bad? Me out here do the crime. Yeah. Me out here do the crime, so what you say? Eh? Do your research, man. Rude.
A murder we do you never do your research. Full clip in your face, none never reserve. Life could have preserved, somebody still have to learn. Albert done 10 years, didn't have to run. All I'm gonna
Albert done 10 years dinner for worm. So the man I say, oh, the way you're big, 10 years worth of heat in that room, them I go, yo,
I feel lift up on the killer's reverb. Mark X drive down, flick it in a reverse.
No.
Do how we dirty up them black, you woulda think of the small man, they so pussy where you get that.
Yeah.
oh, me dirty out them black, them that things say the purge. Remember the purge is not a normal thing, you know. So me dirty out them black, they think I must say I go drive down in the market and flick it in a reverse. So I go knock up ends and just reverse back out of the lane.
Flick it in a reverse.
No.
Do how we dirty up them black, you woulda think of the small man, they so pussy where you get that.
Yeah.
Marvel pop.
No.
Do how we dirty up them black, you woulda think of the small man, they so pussy where you get that.
Yeah.
Marvel pop your foot and them could set it back. Fuck.
Valley pop your foot and them couldn't set it back. Valley pop your foot, them Marco. That's where your foot then. That's what the G say. Not me.
Think of the small man, they so pussy where you get that.
Yeah.
Marvel pop your foot and them could set it back. 40 ball, fly belly fat. Long bro, me walk with them in a janitor.
40 ball, fly belly fat. Long bro, me walk it, brother. Remember, say me and a janitor in a dog.
Back 40 ball, fly belly fat. Long bro, me walk with them in a janitor.
Deaf.
Where you kill them me day, yeah, wait.
No.
Rifle me buy when me source up plate.
Fuck.
Corp.
Where you kill them, they are wait. Because you say you have killer upon the ground. Because remember saying them upon the ground, you know. So where you kill them, they are wait. Remember say a rifleman by one time man shut up couple dub plate, you know. Remember that, you know. So what you say? Facts.
Where you kill them me day, yeah, wait.
No.
Rifle me buy when me source up plate.
Fuck.
Corp me gate, push out the zinc, lift up the key.
No.
The pantam sweet, no care baby wait. She mark a war and you finally link plate.
Sir.
Me work ya.
Shamaka war run, you finally link Blake. You finally link you and Blake. Blake, big up yourself, the beast, big up yourself.
Pantam sweet, no care baby wait. She mark a war and you finally link plate.
Sir.
Me work ya and done till you rock in a grave. No mercy no in a so we operate. Pussy, you outdated, oh here.
Long time.
You're outdated from 2008 or 8. You're outdated long before outdated was a thing. Remember say you're outdated and nothing now going for you. That's why you run a gun and firing. Man say remember say you're outdated from them time till now. So you feel thank God say me a war with you.
No mercy no in a so we operate. Pussy, you outdated, oh here.
Long time.
Who what do bigs? You afraid that the kid put a foot in a me place, so give your privilege.
What? I want to Biggs. Biggs, how are you? Remember say you're afraid of the kid, you know. Remember say I'm the kid right now and you're afraid of me, you know. Put a foot in a me place, I will give you privilege.
Long time.
Who what do bigs? You afraid that the kid put a foot in a me place, so give your privilege. That's 17 and you and me have to christen it.
Don't be funny.
Mag refuse him could fit in at the fridge, falling soldier you be, have duppy pa me.
Mag refuse you couldn't fit it at the fridge. Mag refuse you couldn't fit it at the fridge. Fallen soldier you be. This is for my fallen soldiers. We miss you. Man say Mag again. No, Mag couldn't. Barrel. Fuck Mag. Can't fit in the fridge. You're too big. How did you say?
Mag refuse him could fit in at the fridge, falling soldier you be, have duppy pa me. Duppy pa on this, dunce retarded. Can't this bad gang, you favor saltfish. Pussy, on
You can't this bad man, you favor saltfish. Whoever see what a saltfish head look like before? Me never see it, you know. So for the bad I say, look on DEMARCO if you want to know what a saltfish head look like.
duppy pa on this, dunce retarded. Can't this bad gang, you favor saltfish. Pussy, on a clothes on a 6 pants rinse. Select the map, they must see fire links.
And a close when the 6 pants rings. Big up fire links. Select the map that you think of fire links. Fire links, big up.
Pussy, on a clothes on a 6 pants rinse. Select the map, they must see fire links. Santa Claus in Fred I Grinch. Deliver binds in a skin on a ink.
Counteraction. So the boss said, so in a DEMARCO song, he mentions something say Santa Claus because everybody said Santa Claus before. So DEMARCO run with the line and say, yo, Santa Claus. And then I say, yo, member say him a the Grinch. And member say Santa afraid of the Grinch. So he call himself the Grinch while DEMARCO says him a Santa. Bad.
The links, Santa Claus in Fred I Grinch. Deliver binds in a skin on a ink.
Bomb through the trip, them push the can go nowhere normally, nowhere Tuesday, nowhere Samarkand. Everywhere down dream, them must get beaten, and I got me left leg fame.
Badness shivered on my father. 4 days, you know. Me coulda been a fan of you, no dopey, no follow you. Albert, when the killer them a wally wrong, you eat up what the pot a cook. Cheap black pitch him over, no see we wicked out, yeah. Them sick me and me brain guy Ethiopia. Nothing wrong, never go on pan for me program. 10 grand inna the tank, fi go make it portal. Violent soldier. Local juvenile, let me make DISS up.
Man say, yo, fallen soldier, what going on over there, sir? Eh? What went wrong out there today? Are the little juvie make a deal with your fallen soldier? Remember say you soon be grandpa, you know? Eh? Remember say you should have more experience, but because you never do your research, me I bust your head. Yeah, because you underestimate the little the little juvie. So guess what I go on for you? Come! I don't fully what I said.
Violent soldier. Local juvenile, let me make DISS up. We ain't saying our business about 30 years now. Hey boy, you feel like a normal youth. Murderer, you hear that? Watch your mouth, boy. Hold your road and pop your next foot, you hear that?
Watch your mouth, youth. Watch where you utter out of your mouth. Yeah, man, hold your road and pop your next foot. Cripple you. Wheelchair.
Your mouth, boy. Hold your road and pop your next foot, you hear that? Matter of fact, go down in that grave. Pussy. Life burial.
Burial life, DEMARCO. DEMARCO, the man burial life. The man say a life burial. What? We are talking about? Me hold your road and pop your next foot, man. Then I knee. Yeah, can't mend back. Yo, comment section. Come on, man, get active and let me know what you think about this song. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it's worth a reply from DEMARCO. But I think DEMARCO I gonna say something else because he might cook up something for Coyote. Also, me react to Coyote song yesterday and people in the comment section. This one specific person say, yo, we as reactor I fuck up the war because we are react to Coyote song. No. If the song drop, remember say DEMARCO asked for. Remember say DEMARCO invited Coyote in the Warner, bro. Remember I know that. Remember I know. So him say, cause in a villain, Coyote did drop a song, a shoot off for everybody. And DEMARCO say, yo, you remember say me a giant. I want you. You can't shoot off for everybody. I expect me I go answer that song there. No. You have to forward with caution. Shoot off for me if you want a reply. That is what the G do. Remember, I also, in the song them, where DEMARCO been dropping, he's been styling Coyote. Remember, on Instagram, he style Coyote the same way too. But earline and one bag of thing, and he tell fully bad say, go back in the corner and don't move until Coyote get a hit song. So, the boss now forward in the war and invited them to call up his name. So, if a person out there style up your name, what would you do? Sit back and make it go on? No, I don't care who you are. Me get involved in that too. Yeah, so that's why Coyote shoot out. So I know say DEMARCO now have two persons for answer in the next song, which probably I go drop today. I can see what I go on. But anyway, this is I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoyed the one you want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you and I'll see you, my friends. I'll see you in the next one.
Salute to 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comments. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.